Come find me.
最近过要尾声，唔知咩安怎？
卡关哦，你有去找阿英啊？
Come find me.
I feel struggle.
卡关哦，你有去找阿英啊？
Come find me.
Can you help me?
No problem.
人生卡关啦，唔知咩安怎？我规人就要扣落。
卡关哦，你有去找阿英？
Come find me.
I feel
你
upset.
有去找阿英？
Come find.
I feel not good.
卡关哦，
Come find.
Who can help me?
卡关哦，
I can help you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
大家好，我是阿莹。你若感觉人生卡关、胸坎杂杂，恁女朋友若做 emo，还是恁男朋友拢走无去，找无人，你会来找我。If you have struggle in your life, if you don't feel well, you can come find me.
卡关哦，你有去找阿英啊？好了啦。
来医疗村杯亚品好本来做好食好食。